Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If your laptop Wi-Fi disconnects frequently on Windows 11, let's fix it. So start with our first step. Click on your Wi-Fi icon, then click on your Wi-Fi. So this is my Wi-Fi name. Right click on it, then click on properties. Now in network profile type, select private network. That's it. Now cut this window. This will fix your issue. If you are still getting the same issue, move on to our next step. Click on your Windows icon. Click on the search box and type View Network Connections. You will see this option, View Network Connections. Click on it. Now right click on Wi-Fi option, Wi-Fi icon, then click on Properties. Now click on this option, Configure. Now in the last tab, Power Management, click on it and untick this option. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Untick this option, then click on OK. Then cut this window. That's all. And if you are still getting the same issue, now move on to our final step. Click on your Windows icon again. In the search box, type Services. Click on this Services option. Now you have to search for a service called WLAN Auto Config. This is the service WLAN Auto Config. Right click on it, then click on Properties. In the startup type, select Automatic, then click on Apply. After that, stop this service. Then again, start this service. Then click on OK. Cut this window. That's all. So these are the 3 steps you can apply to fix your Wi-Fi disconnect issue. This is all for the video. Thank you.